So I thought we'd start out here with a demo of the inverse video feature on this computer. So as you can see, power on the system boots up, and by default it's in this inverse video mode, which is fine and dandy. In playing with the machine, I discovered that if I hold down the 7, 8, and 9 keys, the video goes back to normal video, which is quite interesting. Then if I hold down, I think it's the G, H, and J, it toggles it back to inverse video again. So it's just kind of weird to me that 7, 8, 9, G, H, J. I have no idea if this was an aftermarket piece of hardware, if this was something custom that was created by the previous owner, came out of a magazine. It's not something I've seen before. Anyhow, I just wanted to demo that for you quick since it's quite interesting. Well, now that we've taken a look at the inverse video in action, I thought I'd take a little peek here at the actual hardware that implements it. This little circuit board here is what actually implements this inverse video feature. There's two leads that snake off over here that go into the video circuit on the Model I. I'm assuming two of these leads over have to be power and ground, and then a couple others go off to the keyboard, backside of the keyboard, and I'll call it the keyboard encoder. It's not really an encoder. Anyhow, there's this little board. You can see there's a 74 LS100 and a 74 LS32. So there's a quad NAND gate and a quad OR gate. So it's pretty simple, whatever it is. I'm guessing the NAND gate might be set up as a latch, and the OR gate is toggling that latch maybe, and it's using one maybe stage of the AND gate as an inverter, perhaps. I have to think about it a bit. If we come along the back of the keyboard, those 6 leads come over here and they tap off. There's the TTL devices on the actual keyboard itself, and they're tapping off some of the pins on those. I would have to dig a little deeper to figure this out. Anyhow, Z3 and Z4 are implicated here. And I'm guessing this pin wire here is picking up power or ground. And you can't really see the 5th wire here. It kind of snakes to this point here. So I'm guessing power and ground, and then it's just looking for those combinations of JK and L or 7, 8, 9. JKL, or was it HJK? Anyhow, whatever that other 3 key combination was. Here we kind of see those leads that come off and tap into the video. There's a trace cut here, which I'm assuming then one of these leads is picking up video, and it's either being inverted on that board or left straight and passed through. And of course the other lead actually comes up and attaches right here. Without getting into the Model 1 schematic and looking closer, I don't really know. You can see that inside this Model 1's actually fairly dirty inside. Could use a good cleaning. Part of this is of course dead foam and stuff. So anyhow, we'll go back through the pictures one more time. Very simple circuit. If it wasn't double-sided taped on, I would have peeled it off and took a peek at the underside. I may do that at some point. I may just ohm the thing out and figure out how it's wired. If anybody knows what this is, did it come from a magazine? Was it a commercial kit? I'd be interested to know. Let us know in the comments. Anyhow, there's a quick look.